Hey guys, it's Kyra. Welcome to another Clean with me. So today, before we left out for the day, I wanted to make sure that I got the house all the way together. This was just kind of a quick cleanup. I didn't get a chance to mop or sweep or any of that, but the floors were not too bad. The worst part of the cleaning today was definitely the kitchen. I did a meal prep last night. I was so tickled at myself because I actually made baked chicken for the first time in like years. Normally I will just eat chicken if I'm in the mood from a restaurant. I'd never really make it at home, but I made chicken, 3-bean chili, salmon, a big thing of mixed vegetables with like Brussels sprouts, sweet potatoes, carrots, and then some kale and rice. So right now I'm just warming up some leftover oatmeal from yesterday, put some berries and granola in it, and then I had that with some watermelon juice. It was so good. Just gave me the fuel that I needed to get through this little clean with me. I really only had about maybe like an hour and a half before we had to leave out for the day. I was actually off on this day, but Malik had to go to work, and I just told him I would tag along so that way I could take Kyrie to a park that's near his job, and then we had a couple other errands to run. So I am just going to pop on some music. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I so appreciate you guys for showing up for me. I see the views and a couple comments, and I so appreciate them.
To be your everything, gave my everything, I sold out. Now just look at me, I'm a ghost with nothing left. Hollow, emptied out, what got lost can't be found. You stole every bit of me, now I can't remember.